Welcome to Vietnam Remy Hair, located in the countryside of Vietnam, peaceful and natural. This is where our real hair, high quality is made. Many new factories come and go, but we have been here for over 10 years, leading Vietnam hair industry with real commitment. We don't just sell, we partner for the long run. From this stock hair cut direct from donors, reprocessing to bundles, closure, wigs, clip-in, and many another products.
We have thousands of hair bundles ready, all clean, soft, and beautiful.
Every bundle is checked by hand. We only keep the good hair.
We, Vietnam Remy Hair, have more than 10 years of experience in hair production.
Our team sews the hair into strong, neat webs, no setting, no loose threads, ready for long-term use. Our factory full of activity every day, skilled workers sorting and preparing hair, clean space, teamwork, and quality control. This is how we deliver clean and premium quality hair to you. And this is how we create wavy and curly hair. We use steam, no chemicals, just heat and skill. The curls stay strong, soft, and natural looking.
All wigs are finished and ready to go. We have straight, curly, many color styles, all made from 100% real human hair. With over 10 years of experience and in-depth market knowledge, we are a trusted partner you can rely on.